My name's Gerald Langston from Langston Motorsports here in Southern California. I enjoy coming to work and tinkering in the workshop and sorting problems out and trying to do things better than anybody else. I raced since I was 18 years old. My son Grant is a multiple world and national champion. I used to build his engines until he became a factory rider and they kicked me out of the semi. We then started a family business. It was just a hop-up shop, and in 2010 we got into the multi-line dealership. We've recently purchased the Vapor Honing Technologies Model 800. Primarily we bought it to do carburetors, especially ones that were corroded. I'm personally into vintage bike restoration. This is a carb off a 1974 CZ400. This thing was so corroded. You can see actually there's pitting and stuff below there, but it's got everything out. There was actually a mouse nest inside here, so it's really come out well. All the brass fittings look like brand new again. We had ultrasonic cleaners in the past, which are great, and believe me, we'll still use them because they get inside all the internal passages, but this gives a good visual finish. A lot of people, when they've paid good money to have a carb clean, they want to know that that thing's really clean, so we'll be using it for that. Something we're experimenting with right now is when we lace and true wheels for people. This has already been cleaned up a little bit. It was really corroded and tatty. Now you can see this kind of stuff over the side here. So what we're experimenting with is maybe doing a little bead blasting first and then finishing off with a vapor hone, and it's looking like almost better than a brand new wheel.